Hey there, pet parents! Are you ready to set up your Penthouse Paws smart water fountain and give your furry friend a fresh, flowing stream of water? Unwrapping the goodies! Let's get started by unwrapping the plastic and gathering all the pieces of our water fountain puzzle. We've got a water tray, user manual, filter tray, filter, USB-C cord, cleaning brush, water pipe, power box, water pump, and an extra filter just for good measure. Filter soaking. Before we start assembling, let's give our filter a little spa treatment. Soak it in a bowl of water for 5 minutes to get it ready for its new home. Connecting the cords. Now let's connect the USB-C cord to the port underneath the water fountain and thread it through the trackway. This will be the power cord that brings your fountain to life. Powering up. Plug the USB cord into the power adapter, but don't rush to plug it into the outlet just yet. We've got a few more steps before we can unleash the waterworks. Pump installation. Grab the water pump with its power cord and carefully insert it into the designated slot in the water fountain. Imagine you're giving a tiny robot a cozy place to sleep. Pipe attachment. Next, attach the water pipe to the water pump. Make sure it's nice and straight, like a soldier standing at attention. Silicone seal. Before we add water, let's make sure the silicone piece is firmly in place. It's like a well-fitting pair of jeans, keeping water out of the power area where it doesn't belong. Filling the fountain. Now it's time to fill up your water fountain, but don't get carried away. Remember, there's a max line for a reason. Filter placement. Once the filter has finished its 5-minute soak, remove it from the water and gently place it into the filter tray. Water tray assembly. Lay the water tray on its back and lock it into its designated spot with a satisfying click. It's like a puzzle piece finding its rightful place. Spout insertion. Take your spout and carefully guide it into the hole on top of the water tray. Treat it like a delicate flower, ensuring a perfect fit. Power connection. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Plug your water fountain into a power outlet and watch it spring to life. It's like a tiny oasis, ready to quench your furry friend's thirst. Downloading the app, but the fun doesn't end there. Grab your phone and scan the QR code. This will take you on a magical journey to the App Store, where you'll find the Penthouse Paws app. App setup. Open the app and agree to all notifications and agreements. It's like giving the app the key to your digital kingdom, allowing it to manage your water fountain with ease. Account creation. If you don't already have an account, create one. It's like becoming a water fountain expert, and experts need accounts to access all the cool features. Network access. Allow the app to access your local network so it can pair with your water fountain. Wi-Fi connection. Enter your Wi-Fi information and click on the water fountain device. Your phone will connect to the water fountain. Success! Congratulations! You've successfully connected your smart water fountain to your phone, cleaning your water fountain. Remove the water spout and empty the water into the fountain before fully removing the water tray. Detach the water pipe from the water pump. Empty any remaining water from the fountain. Remove the water pump from its slot and remove the filter from inside the pump as well. Remove the bottom portion of the pump and use the small end of the scrub brush to clean the inside of the pump. Reassemble the pump, ensuring all components fit snugly. Clean the pump filter and tighten the water pump silicone seal. Clean the water pipe with the scrub brush. Clean the water spout. Replace the old filter in the water tray with a new one that has been soaked for 5 minutes. Reassemble all of the parts and your water fountain is clean.